back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys my August budget. This is my first paycheck in August, and as you can tell, I did make a new paycheck worksheet. It is a lot different from the other one in my previous video. I've gotten a lot of requests that people saying that their income is a little different than mine. Some people may have multiple sources of income coming in throughout the month, and as well as having more monthly expenses. So I recreated the worksheet so it can be universal for everyone. So just so you can see the difference, this is my previous one from my last check, and this is the new one. Okay, so you guys already know, before I stuff my new envelopes, I like to go ahead and close out my previous budget for my last paycheck. So I just go through, see how much money I have left. So this one is for my grocery, and I had $13 left over from groceries. That means I actually spent $87. From my restaurant, I had a whopping $2. Nails, I used all 70 this past week. Ava, she had $10 left. Giving, I used all that. Gas. Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't put that here. So my gas. Surprisingly, I had money left over. This never happens. So I had $14 left over for my gas. That means I actually spent $36. And for my personal, I don't have an envelope for that. Just keep it in my wallet. Once again, I actually spent $87. So you guys, I have $52 left in my cash envelopes from the previous paycheck, and this will go towards my debt snowball for my credit card. And just for the sake of time, I did already fill out the worksheet, but I did want to show you guys something. So I've gotten a lot of questions about people asking, well, how do I save for like a trip that's coming up and things like that. So I thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys, because I am also going on a trip, a little small trip in September. So I'm saving up as well. So this will be my first time saving for this trip. It's kind of last minute. So we're gonna treat this sinking fund a little different than our cash envelopes. So instead of you carrying it around and spending it throughout the week, you're actually going to keep contributing to this sinking fund every week and just let it grow until you reach your goal. So for me, I'm going to contribute $100 out of my paycheck for travel. Since it's coming up so soon, I have to contribute a larger number. So I'll be putting $100 aside each paycheck for my traveling sinking fund, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. And just like the previous video, we're going to subtract our income from our monthly expenses, minus our cash envelopes, minus our sinking fund. And so for me, that gives me $171. And since we're doing a zero-based budget, this $171 would be an extra debt payment for me. So I'm trying to pay off my credit card as quickly as possible. So on top of the minimum balance, I will put an extra $170 towards it. And you guys, I do show you real numbers only because I want you to see that you don't have to be rich in order to get out of debt or to start your debt-free journey. I have an average paying job and I still make it work. I still try to have a little bit of money left over each paycheck to put an extra payment towards my debt. So even if it's just $50 that you have left over, anything is better than nothing. So you don't have to be rich in order to get out of debt. Perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and stuff our cash envelopes. I did go to the bank on Friday. Unfortunately, this video will probably come out late, but I've just kept my cash around just waiting for the video. So first, I have giving, and I contribute $20. I like to do it in tips. Restaurant. Perfect. So for restaurant, I budget $50. So So for this video, you guys, we're not going to put anything in Ava's envelope just because she got a shot on Friday, so she's already used her money. I've already spent her $40. So yes. $50. And if you guys haven't seen how I determine my denomination that I like, please check out my first cash envelope stuffing video. I went into detail of how I decide what denomination I would like. Perfect. For now, $70. For travel. So this has been my new envelope for travel. And I'm putting $100 in this envelope. So when it's time for me to go on vacation, I will only use the money that's in this envelope. So I won't go over my budget. And the remaining is for personal, which I like to keep in my wallet. So yep, you guys, that's everything for this video. I hope everything made sense. And if you guys have any questions in regards to the new worksheet that I made, or even if you want me to send it to you, feel free to email me. I have my email in the description box. So definitely shoot me an email. I don't mind sending it to you. I would love to help out. But yeah, that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.